Damaged your headboard? No problem. We can fix it. Let's scuff up the area with 400 sandpaper. Harden it with some thin glue. Let's mix up some all-purpose putty. Add some medium glue. Fill in the damage and try to shape it. When it's dry a little bit, shave off some of the excess. Sand it with 220, 320, and 400 sandpaper. Add some black fill stick and rub it in with a piece of cardboard. Now let's paint it platinum gray. Now some gunmetal gray. A little nebulous gray. Remove any overspray with some steel wool. Now let's color in the grain lines with the black colored pencil. Black glaze for grain. Seal it with a clear coat. And that's it. We're all done. Looks pretty good.